Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel for what is the third time this week. I'll just get loaded up because we're doing a shave test for a lovely little razor. That was probably the pride and joy of a celebrated glassmaker called Rene Lalique Avallon. Apparently his works are quite famous, dating back to the 1920s, something like that, 27. So we call it the mid-20s. Just incidentally, the shaving soap I'm using today is the Pro Raso white. Really quite rich, creamy soap. Highly recommended. Where was I? Oh yeah, the Rene. So here we have original case. L is for a Lalique, and nice condition case. Clean scales, no chips or cracks. I've sympathetically honed this. I've not polished it up to a high mirror finish, just enough to leave a little bit of patina on it. You can see the engraving there on the blade. Both sides are clean. So we'll do a little shave test. I came by this particular razor completely by accident. No eBay or online shops or anything like that. I just happened to be staying in Ljubljana one night because I had a very early appointment the following day with the oncologist. And I was just killing time basically after dinner, and came across this little curiosity shop, little antique store. And in this, I went inside, I had a look at this glass cabinet, and there was a handful of razors, not only rubbish stuff, but good makers, but well worn, you know. And behind all this lot was this little gem hidden away, and did a little bit of haggling. I like a bit of a haggle on price. I'm never too cheeky, you know. So I just like the look of it and the authenticity of it. So when I got home the following day, did a bit of research, and Rene Lalique Avallon was quite a famous glass designer, famed for his vases, coloured vases, really quite exotic. So I couldn't really find that much history about it. About the razor, I mean. So either, I think, one of his retailers had it made for him, as a present, birthday present or whatever, or he had a few made, say 100, 250, all exactly the same engraving on them, and he would present them as a present to his best retailers, members of staff. In those days, I would think owning your own personalised cutthroat razor would be quite a thing in the 1920s. But anyway, if there's somebody out there who knows better than me, or knows the more about this razor and its history, then I am all ears. Talking of ears, I'll try to get this last bit, but taking the ear off. Get that tash out of the way. There we are. So that's the shave tash out of the way, nice and smooth. I didn't really have to do that much to it to get it to a shave ready condition, so it's probably not seen a great deal of use in its time. Probably why it's in such nice condition. There we go. I'll trim round my tash later. There we go. Lovely little razor. So thank you very much for watching. And that'll be all for this weekend, I guess. I bid on a couple of auctions this morning, naughty boy. One was in Ireland for what looks like a beautiful 7-day set. Actually it's an 8-day set. Never heard of an 8-day set before. Made by Lund of Cornhill, London. We've had a couple of these Lund sets before. They're very good makers. So hopefully I'll get that in next week's post and start the restoration on that little boxed set. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll probably catch up with you next week. Bye for now.